She wound up inside of about 20 minutes using ChatGPT that we created. So I gave her the script, and we'll demonstrate that today. Wrote the equivalent of not the entire promotional campaign, but then she said, best of all, that saved her $75,000 per year.
Wow.
So she didn't need that copywriter who has already had failed her. So I think those are a few of the big ideas here. And then towards the end, really just talk about the big money, because to me, if I'm going to do something with anyone, I want to make sure they get a 3 to 10 times their investment back. So if they're making a $2,000 investment, I'm going to be like, where can I find 10 grand?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 grand like right freaking now. And then if they're investing $10,000, I'm going to be like, where can I find 50 or 100 grand right now? And if they're investing $100 or $150,000, it's like, where's the $1 million sitting? So I want to end today with $1 million find, but let's do some incremental stuff along the way.